Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure credit card annual fee check and downgrade path with Chase, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure your credit card annual fee check with Chase, start by logging into your Chase account online. Navigate to the Accounts section on the top menu. Select the credit card for which you want to check the annual fee. Scroll down to the Card Details section. Look for the annual fee listed next to your card's features. If you need to evaluate whether this fee is worth it, compare the benefits your card offers. Make a list of the rewards you consistently use. Next, consider if there are other Chase cards that could better suit your spending habits. Once you've gathered your information, consult the Chase card comparison chart. Find the options available for downgrading your card. Reach out to Chase customer service via the number on the back of your card. Inform them of your intention to downgrade. Discuss which card options are available for you. Ask the representative about the process and any impacts on your credit score. If you decide on a downgrade, follow their instructions carefully. Confirm any fees associated with the new card before finalizing your decision. Keep track of all correspondence for your records. Once the downgrade is processed, monitor your account for changes. Evaluate whether the new card meets your expectations. Regularly reassess your card choices to ensure they align with your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.